How to fix missing reply and forward icons in Outlook. So here I am in my Outlook account. So I'm using the old version of Outlook or the classic version of Outlook. So some people are having problems seeing their forward and reply icons right here in their inbox. So if you don't know, this blue arrow right here depicts the forward icon, and then this kind of like purple icon right here that points to the left is the reply icon. So this is a very useful way to determine if your email that you have right here in your inbox is a forwarded email or a reply email. So some people are having trouble seeing the icon right here. So since Microsoft had an update where they were automatically missing. So you can just go right here to add columns right here. So make sure that you are in the view tab, then click add columns. So from here, make sure that the icon right here is in this right column right here. So because for example, if I click remove and then you can see the icon right here in the left column. And then if I click OK, as you can see, the reply and forwarded icons are now missing. So this is how we can fix it. Just go back to add columns and then click icon, then click add so that it will be added right here to the right column. Then you can just move it up if you want like that. Then click OK, and then now we should now have the forward and reply icons back. So if you're using the new version of Outlook or like the web version, so I have here my web Outlook right here. So in the web version, it doesn't have the problem anymore. So you don't really have like any way to like add the column right here in the view settings. So what you can do is that you can just change the density if you want. So we have roomy, we have cozy, and then we have compact. But either way, you can see that the arrows depicting the icons for forwarded and reply are still right here. So it's just that when you hover your mouse, they will disappear for a bit. But when you hover your mouse outside, you can see that it still has the forwarded and reply icon right here. And then that is it. That is how we can fix the missing forwarded and reply icons in Outlook. And thank you for watching.